In this video, we're going to subtract two numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says subtract 35 minus 7, the first thing to do is to always remember your place value. Okay, so this is the tens and this is the ones column. Step 2 is to solve with the help of models, and that's going to be the best way to help you to understand how to borrow in subtraction or regrouping. They also call it regrouping, but I like to call it borrowing. So we can rewrite this problem with blocks. So here we have the tens and the ones again. Always make sure to keep your place value. Over here we have 30 blocks. So we have 1, 2, 3 tens blocks. So we could skip count and we could see that that equals 30. 10, 20, 30. In the ones column, we have 5 ones. And then for the number 7, so this represents 35. So the number 7 is here. There's 7 ones blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how are we going to subtract 5 minus 7? We can't do that, right? But what we have to do is borrow one stack of tens blocks from the tens and put it into the ones. So we're going to borrow this stack here and we're going to move it from here and put it here. So this is how it looks, right? We had the original 5. We took 10 blocks from here and we put them over here. These are the 10 now. So now this becomes 15, right? 5, 10, 15. We could subtract 15 minus 7. Now we can just subtract. And 15 minus 7, we know, is 8. So these are the 8 ones. And then 20 minus nothing gives us just 20. We put the 2 here. Okay, the 2 stacks of 10. So let's use this method to subtract just the numbers, because you're not going to go to this amount of trouble every single time you have a subtraction. You're just going to do it just by borrowing the numbers. So let's go through it again, right? Remember our tens and our ones. So 5 minus 7, can't do it. So I'm just going to borrow 1 from the 3. So then the 3 becomes a 2. And then let's undo that. And let's use the proper. Okay, so let's cross this out. This becomes a 2. And then we add a 1 to the 5. It becomes 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. And then 2 minus nothing is 2. And that's the answer, 28. Just like with you get the same answer if you use blocks or if you just use the numbers. And that's the explanation. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have other resources in the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra practice. And you could download the ebook and you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. Thank you for listening.